Ever wondered how YouTrip manages to offer those sweet, sweet foreign exchange rates? Like, where do they get their money from? It's like magic, right? Well, today we're diving deep into the mysterious world of YouTrip's banking connections. Buckle up, because it's about to get interesting. YouTrip, for the uninitiated, is a Singapore-based fintech company that's revolutionized how we spend money abroad. Their multi-currency wallet and card allow you to ditch those pesky bank fees and enjoy competitive exchange rates. But how do they do it? Think about it. You're in Tokyo, sipping matcha and admiring the cherry blossoms. You whip out your YouTrip card, and bam! Instant yen, no fuss. But where exactly did those yen come from? YouTrip isn't a bank itself, so the question remains, which bank is secretly powering this travel money magic? Now, YouTrip is notoriously tight-lipped about their banking partners. It's a closely guarded secret, understandable given the competitive nature of the fintech world. But fear not, fellow travelers, because we're on a mission to uncover some clues. First things first, let's consider what we know about YouTrip. They're a licensed money changer. This means they're authorized to deal in foreign exchange, but it doesn't necessarily reveal their banking relationships. They partner with MasterCard. YouTrip cards are issued on the MasterCard network, which gives them access to a vast global network of banks and payment processors. Focus on technology. YouTrip heavily emphasizes technology and automation in their operations. This suggests they likely partner with banks that have robust APIs and support for seamless digital transactions. Armed with these clues, let's try to piece together the puzzle. Look for banks with strong international presence. Given YouTrip's global focus, it's likely they partner with a bank with a significant international footprint, allowing for smooth cross-border transactions. Consider banks with a fintech-friendly approach. YouTrip thrives on innovation. They need a banking partner that embraces fintech and is willing to collaborate on new products and services. Investigate banks with a focus on digital banking. YouTrip's platform is highly digital. A partner bank with a strong digital presence and robust APIs would be a natural fit. Now, it's time for some educated speculation. While we can't definitively name YouTrip's banking partners, here are a few possibilities. DBS Bank, Singapore, a major player in the Singaporean banking scene. DBS has a strong international presence, a focus on digital innovation, and a history of fintech collaborations. Standard Chartered, another significant player with a global reach and a growing focus on digital banking and financial technology. Disclaimer: please note that these are purely speculative. YouTrip has not publicly disclosed their banking partners, and these are based on our own research and analysis. So, while the mystery of YouTrip's banking connections may remain unsolved, we've shed some light on the factors at play. YouTrip's success hinges on its ability to leverage strong banking relationships to offer competitive rates and a seamless user experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.